Today, I'm going to teach you how to bring biology back into your soil using microbial extracts, which can help give your plants a natural boost all season long.
Soil microbes are a plant's best friend, helping to make nutrients available, create soil structure, and protect them from diseases.
Building a healthy soil microbiome is the best way to get the most from your vegetables and produce in your home garden. To start, you need a high quality compost full of beneficial microbes like beneficial bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and nematodes. Today, we're going to be using our product, Terraforma's premium biological soil additive, which is full of all of these beneficial microbes.
When selecting a product, it's important that you select one that has good air exchange within the packaging so the microbes can breathe. Without it, the microbes become dormant or die. With a steady supply of oxygen, you will get the best result for your garden. Without moisture, the microbes aren't going to be able to survive. So make sure the moisture content is somewhere between 35 and 50% to get the most out of your microbial products. If you're using anything that comes in a bottle, those microbes aren't going to be alive. If it's sealed, it's not breathing.
To make the extract, start by adding water to a 5-gallon bucket so that it is half full. Then add your biological soil amendment. Our biological soil amendment is 1 gallon of material, or 4 pounds.
You can stop here and start to extract the microbes, but I like to add some biostimulants to help the microbes remain active in the soil after they are applied. First, I'm going to add half a cup of fish hydrolysate and kelp extract mixture. This provides amino acids and micronutrients to help microbes thrive. They're also great for your plants. Next, I'm adding half a cup of humic acid. This helps to support fungal growth, hold nutrition in the soil, and keep the soil well balanced. At this stage, hardwood ashes, or potash, can be added as well. I add about 2 cups worth. Potash is a great source of potassium and other minerals, and it is recommended to be added just before fruits start to form and while fruits are on the plant. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of molasses to the mix. This adds sugars, which are a fantastic energy source for the microbes. Next, we're going to add a bit more water, so the bucket is approximately 3/4 full. Then, using my hand, I'm going to mix all of these ingredients together. You want to make sure that you get all the way to the bottom of the bucket and are mixing the compost well. I will mix the material clockwise and then switch to counterclockwise to increase the amount of physical agitation within the bucket. It is important to agitate the solution very well, because we are not only mixing together all of the food sources, but we are also knocking the microbes off of the solid surfaces of the compost into the liquid. After 2 to 3 minutes of mixing, the biological extract is ready. Application is easy. I can take the solution as is and apply it directly to my plants, which is what I'm doing here. Or it can be filtered through a 400 micrometer mesh, which will filter out the solids and allow it to be applied through a watering can, sprayer system, or any other liquid application method. The 5 gallons that is made in this bucket can be used on up to half an acre of grass and turf, or up to 5 large planting beds of veggies and other produce. This mixture is perfectly safe and can't really be over-applied, so it is recommended to reapply once every month or even every other week.
Using a biological extract will help you get the most from your soil, producing healthier produce and plants without the use of chemicals. You might even see a few mushrooms spring up in your garden.